Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve Wi-Fi connection issues on your GoPro Mission 1. First of all, try disconnecting and reconnecting your camera to your smartphone via the Quick application. All you have to do is just go into the Quick app, tap the three-dot icon next to your camera, select remove camera, confirm. Make sure that your smartphone has the stable Wi-Fi, by the way. Then tap connect to GoPro. Then of course we have to enable connection on the camera. To do that, we have to swipe down the quick settings, go to the second page, tap connect device, turn on. Select Mission 1 on the list, tap connect and confirm. After that, check your connection quality once again. And if it's still poor, then what we can do is open quick settings menu on the camera, go to the second page, preferences, then select connections. Here we can adjust the wireless band. Now we have two options here, the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. So basically the difference is the following. The 5 GHz connection will ensure better transmission speed with worse coverage, smaller area coverage. The 2.4 GHz offers you the wider area for connection but lower speed. So select the one you are more comfortable with. Generally, I have my smartphone very close to the camera, so in my case the 5 GHz would be an obvious option. And if this doesn't resolve your issue, reset the connections using your camera, wait until the connections are reset and then reconnect the camera once again. This time your camera will have to repair with your smartphone, and you just wait until the resetting process is finished. Now let's do the same thing. Remove the camera, confirm, connect your camera here, swipe down the quick settings, select connect device, reconnect your device to your smartphone, and after this your issue should be resolved, unless there are Wi-Fi issues on your smartphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.